Watch on how to use the Microsoft Word's bookmark feature that lets you quickly find passages in long documents. Adding a bookmark. Select the place in the text you wish to bookmark. Access the bookmark feature. Select Bookmark from the Links group in the Insert menu ribbon. Name the bookmark. Bookmark names have to begin with a letter, but they may contain numbers. Spaces aren't allowed, but you can separate words with an underscore. Click the Add button. You can repeat the steps to add more bookmarks. This creates your bookmark. Show bookmark brackets in text. Display the Word Options dialog box. Select Advanced. Scroll down to the Show Document Content section. Check the Show Bookmarks box. Click OK to close the Word Options dialog. Any text within the Bookmarks section will be surrounded by brackets. If there is no text within the bookmark, it instead appears as an I-beam. Go to a specific bookmark. Display the Bookmark dialog box. Choose one of the Sort By options. Select Name to sort the bookmarks alphabetically by name, or Location to sort them by their location in the document. To display hidden bookmarks in the list, check the Hidden Bookmarks box. Select the bookmark you want to go to. Click the Go To button. Select the bookmark you want to go to. Cross-referencing a bookmark. Access the cross-reference feature. Select Bookmark from the Reference Type field. Choose the type of bookmark reference from the Insert Reference To field. In most cases, you'll use the Bookmark Text option. Select the bookmark from the For Which Bookmark list. A cross-reference will be created to your bookmark. The cross-reference will take the form of a hyperlink in the document unless you uncheck the Insert as Hyperlink box. Deleting a bookmark. Display the Bookmark dialog box. Select the name of the bookmark you wish to delete. Click the Delete button. Your bookmark is deleted. Any text associated with the bookmark remains, however. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.